and welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In this video we'll be covering the split stitch and the split backstitch. To start off with, we'll have a look at the regular split stitch. So just start by bringing your needle up through the back of the fabric and then place it back down again just a stitch length away to create your first stitch. Now bring your needle back up through the middle of the stitch that you've just made. And then place the needle back down through the fabric a stitch length away, creating your first split stitch. Again, bring your needle up through the middle of the previous stitch and continue for as long as needed. And that's how you do the regular split stitch. Another method of the split stitch is the split backstitch. So start by bringing your needle up through the back of the fabric and then back down again a stitch length away, creating your first stitch. Now bring your needle up through the back of the fabric a stitch length away, as if you're about to do a backstitch, but instead place your needle back down through the middle of the last stitch, splitting it in half, creating a split backstitch. And just continue this again along the line for as long as you need to. I personally find the split backstitch quicker, as you can easily see where you need to pierce your needle, but try them both and see which you prefer. These stitches are great for filling in space, creating lines, and for doing text as well. And there you have two methods of the split stitch. I hope you found this video helpful, and you can check out my other tutorials in the playlist below.